So, good day everyone. We are the researcher from Northern Laguna State College, and today we will be presenting our study titled The Effects of Globalization and Cultural Identity of Mindanao Youth. Our group is composed of Christopher Mabalos,
Gabitano James,
Humagdinja Sadot, Mabalos Kelly, and this study was conducted under the guidance of our instructor, Sir Wendell Glenn C. Humanan. So our study aims to examine how globalization influences the cultural identity of Mindanao youth. We use a descriptive quantitative method and gather data from 20 students here at Northern Laguna State College. Finding shows that globalization strongly affects language, lifestyles, and online behavior. However, despite these influences, respondents still hold cultural pride and value Mindanao tradition. Overall, the study concludes that globalization has both possible negative effects, making cultural preservation an important responsibility for schools, families, and communities.
For the first major result, we found that Mindanao youth have high-level global exposure. Most respondents frequently use platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. They regularly consume foreign content such as K-pop, Western shows, and international influencers. Because of this global entertainment, significantly shapes their hobbies, fashion choices, and interests. This shows that globalization is deeply embedded in the daily lives of young people.
The second major finding is about language. Respondents said that they often mix English, Tagalog, and Bisaya when communicating, especially online. Many of them will use global slang and expressions they encounter on social media. This result shows that globalization reshapes the way we communicate, while local dialects are still used at home. The online environment encourages hybrid or mixed language use.
So for the third result, globalization greatly influenced cultural practices and lifestyle. Many respondents reported participating less in traditional activities such as cultural dances, festivals, and indigenous rituals. Global fashion, music, and trends also influence how they dress and behave. However, it is important to emphasize that youth still value Mindanao traditions. They express cultural pride during school programs, community celebration, and even online.
So globalization creates both opportunities and challenges. On the positive side, social media helps in promoting local culture. Youth can showcase Mindanao music, dances, clothing, and traditions to a wider audience. But on the negative side, global trends sometimes reduces youth interest in traditional practices. Cultural dilutions happens when foreign influences become stronger than local traditions. These results shows that cultural preservation must be strengthened.
In conclusion, globalization has a strong impact on the cultural identity of Mindanao youth, influences their language, lifestyle, and cultural participation. Despite these changes, Mindanao youth still value their heritage and show cultural pride. Therefore, the challenge is not to reject globalization, but to balance global influences with cultural preservation.